In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create logo in Brevo templates. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. We will be working inside the email campaign area because that is where Brevo keeps your email templates and the design editor. First, go to the left side navigation and click Campaigns. Then choose Email. This takes you into the section where you can manage your email campaigns and access your saved templates. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place, since Brevo has several campaign types and they each have their own tools. Next, click Templates. You will see your list of available templates. Find the template you want to update, then select Edit for that template. This opens the template settings and prepares it for changes, so you can add your logo without starting from scratch. Now click Design Email. This launches the email builder, where you can arrange content blocks and adjust your layout. Once the builder loads, you will be able to place your logo exactly where you want it to appear in the email, usually near the top of the design for branding and recognition. In the editor, locate the logo block and drag and drop it into your email. Place it in the section where the logo should display. If your template already has a logo area, you can drop the logo block into that header space or replace the existing image in the same location. With the logo block selected, go to the left sidebar and click Replace. This is where you choose the image file that will be used as your logo. You can upload your logo file from your computer or select it from your existing library if it has been uploaded before. You also have the option to add an image from stock images, but for branding, it is best to use your official logo file so your emails stay consistent. After you choose the correct logo image, click Insert. This applies the image to the logo block and updates your design. Take a quick look at the placement and spacing to make sure it looks clean and aligned with the rest of your template. When everything looks right, save your changes, and then choose the option to quit the editor. This ensures your updated template is stored and ready to use in future email campaigns. And that covers everything you need to know.